Ready? Start. Sir, one of the most promising areas for international cooperation is in the regions of Eastern India and Bangladesh, where alternating periods of drought and flood cut cruelly into food production stop. Several hundred million people live in this area stop. They happen to be citizens of India, Bangladesh and Nepal stop. But they are also citizens of the global community stop. And the global community has a stake in ensuring that their needs are met stop. Great progress has already been made in resolving water questions, and we are prepared to give our support when the original states request a study that will design how the international community, in cooperative with the nations of South Asia, can help the peoples of this region to use water from the rivers and the mountains to achieve the productivity that is inherent in the land and its people. Stop. Sustained economic growth requires a strong base of energy as well as in agriculture. Stop. Energy is a serious problem in both our countries, for both of us import oil at levels that can threaten our economic health and expose us to danger if supplies are interrupted. America firms are already working with Indians in developing the oil producing area of the source near Mumbai. Stop para. We also have a long record of cooperation in the development of nuclear power, another important element of India's energy plans. Stop. I hope that our work together will continue in this field as well. Stop. Additionally, we stand ready to work with you in developing renewable energy resources, especially solar energy. Stop. Active cooperation in this area could be of enormous help to both our countries. Stop. There is no shortage of sunlight in India, and the lack of a massive existing infrastructure tied to fossil fuel use will make the application of solar and solar related energy vastly rise here than it will be in my country. Stop. Moreover, the inherently decentralized nature of solar energy makes it ideal as a complement to your government's streets on development. Self-reliant villagers and communities. Stop. With adequate energy and engineering applied to the use of existing land resources, potential gains in agricultural productivity will also greatly enhanced. Stop. The silent void of space may seem remote from these challenges, but the intricate electronics of the space satellite can be as useful to earthbound framers as a new plow. Stop. The Indian and American governments will tomorrow exchange diplomatic notes confirming their programs. Stop. We share many common problems. Stop. We also share an obligation to advance human rights, not by interfering in the affairs of other nations, not by trying to deny other nations the right to choose their own political or social system, but by speaking the truth as we see it and by providing an admirable example of what democracy can mean and what it can accomplish. Stop. The danger of war threatens everyone, and the United States is trying to help reduce that danger in the SALT negotiations with the Russia, in talks aimed at a comprehensive nuclear test ban treaty, in our own policy of restraint on conventional arms transfers. Stop. Over.